Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy gift on this Valentine for your loved ones. This is Quilling Keychain I'm going to show you. If you haven't seen my earlier video about basic shapes, please do watch that. For that we need quilling strips, needle, and this is keychain ring and glue. So let's start. See, I have made 2 loose coils from 1 strip. You can use 2 strips also. I'll make a teardrop shape this manner, and we'll stick this both together to form an heart. Glue it, just press it and let it dry. See, I have stick this, let it dry, and see, I have made a coil and inserted this keychain ring in this. Now I'll stick it here. I'll apply glue on this and we'll stick it here in this manner. I'll apply little glue here on sides also. Now let it dry. See, now it is dry. This is beautiful gift for your loved ones. See this keychain. See how beautiful it looks. So here it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.